Hi Stefan. So I will try to explain you the game and how to play and the problem about this game. So what we need for this game. So first of all we need a set x that in this case, to make things more concrete, will take r. Then we need, so here our set, we need a base, a set of 3 points, in this case of r. So we'll call it x1, x2 and x3. You can imagine here as real numbers, so 2 radical 2 and pi Greek. So here our starting set, and then we have 2 players. One is called adder, because add point to this set, and then remover, because remove set, and is the first to play is remover. What remover will do is take one of these 3 points. So in this case we take an example, we'll take x2. So that's mean that x2 will be erased, and if we call this b0, so this is our old starting set. So now b1, our set, became x1, x3, and now the second step, so this is the first step, adder. The second step, adder will add 1 point to this 2 point here, and so it can take another point. It can take again x3 pi Greek, or we can take just another, like we call it b, another point. Okay, so we will take a point b. Now our set will be x1, x3 and b. Again, remover will remove 1 point, so consider we remove x1, so we remove, and adder will add another point. I don't know, can take any other point outside b and x3. We say that they take another point 3, so the stage 3 we now add a point g, and remover again will choose. So now b3 will be x3 and x and b, yeah, and finally before after adder add g, we have b and g, and so on. So what's happened is that all the time remover at stage, we say n, he will choose 1 point x of b n, and then adder will add another point less bn plus 1. So it will add 1 point to the 2 points. So it's like that. So now we pause a minute to erase. So now I just rewrite the game here, where at each step add a point, remover point, and here I just put really the set and make a sort of example of a classical game. So we have x1, x2, x3, then remover we remove no, x1 in this case, remover, remove, and then adder, add 1, remover 2, adder will add b, remover will remove, and finally adder will add c, and so on. So we can start to remove one of these 2 points and put, I don't know, for example, again x1. So the game continue like that, and we have at each stage 2, 3 point, 3 point. So now we need a definition of fixed point. What is a fixed point? Fixed point is a point that from one stage to the play, so I don't know, this is stage kappa, from one stage, so from exists such a kappa, such that from this kappa on, this for each n greater than kappa, this x, so we say that x1, sorry, I will write in x1 is fixed point if there is such a kappa, such a stage kappa, such that this point for each n greater than this kappa is never removed again. So it's fixed in some point, because remove will not remove this point. So from here on, remover will remove other point, but it will not remove x okay. So now, of course, so first of all, the aim of remover and the aim of adder. So remover want to minimize fixed point. So that means that somehow his dream will be have 0 fixed point. So in some sense, if you think of it as stage 1, 2, 3, and the stage of the game, the dream of remover is that if we fix, I don't know, 1.2, then at some point of the stage, remover will remove this 2.